Today we got a digital picture frame and we're gonna set it up.
Let's see what's in the package.
And this is what's in the package.
Ooh, can I see that?
Check it out. It's pretty heavy for a little frame. It's got a touch bar panel on top, one on the side. Check it out. Okay, this is the power cord. It's pretty cool, heavy duty. This is what we need to get started in here. It looks like it comes with some hanging hardware, and this must be the directions in here. In here is the quick start guide. It says that it's very easy. We're gonna download the app, connect it to Wi-Fi, and it's gonna work. Once you've untangled your cord, you're gonna have to turn over your frame and then insert this. Depending on how long you want your cord to be, you can wrap it in the back here, and then it can come out the bottom. If you want to put it on a table, you're going to put this thing onto the back. Let me show you how. As you can see, you can either have it in the horizontal direction or the vertical. This is going to go right onto there. It slides right up onto there, and then it'll lean back on this. This is what it looks like standing up. Now let's plug it in and get some photos on it. In this box comes some hanging hardware. I'm going to assume that you understand that this is a little nail and you're going to push it through there, and that is going to hold it up. On the back here, you can see it says hang here, not down here where you think that little thing, it says do not hang there. So you're going to want to hang opposite of where you would want to. That's why they wrote it on here for you. Once you plug in the frame, it gives you a number here, photo in the thing, and let's see if it shows up. Connected, add photos. I added a photo. Let's see if this thing does anything. Touch bar panel. What's going on? Where's my photo? I added 2 photos and it's still showing me this. And then I even said show it on the frame, and then it pretended to send it to the frame. I'm gonna just unplug it and plug it back in, and maybe it'll show up. Okay, let's see. Is this a good idea? Now it's thinking. Will my picture show up? Here it comes. If they want to add. Oh no, there it goes. Bam. We got a photo. That's how easy it is to set up. All you have to do is unplug it if it doesn't work your way. So have fun. It's really cool.